In today's digital age, the internet has revolutionized the way we work and earn a living. The allure of making money online from the comfort of your own home is undeniable. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities. This essay will delve into 10 legitimate websites that can help you earn money online, providing practical tips and addressing potential challenges. The internet has become a vast marketplace connecting businesses and individuals with a global audience. This interconnectedness has paved the way for innovative ways to earn money, often requiring minimal investment and offering flexibility that traditional jobs lack. One of the most appealing aspects of online earning is the ability to set your own hours and work at your own pace. However, it's crucial to approach online earning with a discerning eye. By exercising caution and due diligence, you can navigate the online earning landscape safely and effectively. Alit.com stands out as a platform that not only facilitates earning potential but also contributes to a meaningful cause, improving children's literacy. This website provides a platform for individuals with strong English language skills to earn money by transcribing and grading children's reading records. The premise is simple: children record themselves reading aloud, and Lit.com engages individuals to assess their fluency, pronunciation, and comprehension. The earning potential on Lit.com is directly related to the time and effort invested. Transcribers and graders are paid per audio hour, with rates ranging from $21 to $51. To maximize earnings on Lit.com, it's crucial to develop a streamlined workflow. Familiarize yourself with the platform's guidelines and grading criteria to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Consider investing in a quality headset and using transcription software to enhance productivity. While this may pose a barrier to entry for some, it also ensures the quality of work delivered, ultimately benefiting both the transcribers and the children. Idle Empire presents a unique proposition for those seeking to monetize their leisure time. This platform allows users to earn rewards by engaging in activities they likely already enjoy, such as watching videos, playing games, and completing surveys. The platform operates on a points-based system, where users accumulate points by completing various tasks. These points can then be redeemed for cash rewards via PayPal or gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon and Target. To maximize earnings on Idle Empire, it's advisable to focus on high-point tasks and take advantage of daily bonuses. Additionally, consider referring friends to the platform to earn referral bonuses. While the earnings per task may be small, consistency is key. By dedicating a few minutes or hours each day to completing tasks, you can gradually accumulate a significant amount of points. Stick to legitimate tasks offered directly through the Idle Empire platform. For those with a penchant for selling collectibles online can be a lucrative way to declutter and earn extra cash. Online marketplaces like eBay provide a global platform to connect with buyers, take high-quality photos, and write detailed descriptions to maximize earnings. Engage with buyers promptly and professionally to build a positive reputation. Section 5. Clickworker, the microtaskmaster. Clickworker provides a platform for individuals seeking short, simple tasks that can be completed online. These microtasks encompass a wide range of activities, including data entry, image tagging, and text transcription. The earning potential on Clickworker depends on the types of tasks chosen and the speed and accuracy of completion. To maximize earnings on Clickworker, it's essential to develop a strategic approach to task selection. Focus on tasks that align with your skills and interests while offering a reasonable hourly rate. Utilize any available tools or resources to enhance efficiency and accuracy. However, it's important to note that Clickworker's earning potential may not be substantial enough to serve as a primary source of income. The platform is best suited for individuals seeking supplemental income or those looking to earn money during their spare time. Section 6. Product reviewing shopping. Get paid for your opinion. In the age of e-commerce, consumer reviews hold immense sway over purchasing decisions. Companies are increasingly willing to pay individuals for their honest feedback on products and services. Platforms like Taluna, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research connect businesses with consumers, offering opportunities to earn rewards for sharing opinions through surveys, product testing, and mystery shopping experiences. The earning potential from product reviewing and shopping varies depending on the platform, the complexity of the tasks, and the demographic being targeted. To maximize earnings in this niche, it's crucial to sign up for multiple platforms and create a detailed profile that accurately reflects your interests and demographics. Be honest and thorough in your feedback, providing valuable insights that businesses can use to improve their products or services. However, it's important to approach product reviewing and shopping opportunities with a discerning eye. Stick to established platforms with positive track records. Section 7. Rabbit, your neighborhood side hustle. Rabbit offers a unique platform for individuals seeking to earn money by providing local services. From furniture assembly and moving assistance to cleaning and pet sitting, Rabbit connects service providers with individuals in their local communities seeking help with everyday tasks. The earning potential on Rabbit depends on the types of services offered, the demand in your area, and your ability to set competitive rates while maintaining a high level of service. To maximize earnings on Rabbit, it's essential to create a comprehensive profile that highlights your skills and experience. Focus on services that you're proficient in and enjoy performing. Set competitive rates that reflect your experience and the local market. Provide excellent customer service and strive for positive reviews, as this will enhance your visibility and attract more clients. Additionally, ensure that you have the necessary tools and transportation to perform the services offered. Section 8. Clear Voice. Words that pay. For individuals with a flair for writing, Clear Voice presents an excellent opportunity to monetize their skills. This platform connects businesses and agencies with freelance writers, editors, and content creators for a wide range of projects, including blog posts, website content, and marketing materials. The earning potential on Clear Voice depends on the type of writing, the length of the content, and the writer's experience and expertise. To maximize earnings on Clear Voice, it's crucial to create a strong portfolio that showcases your writing skills and niche expertise. Actively pitch for projects that align with your interests and experience. Deliver high-quality work that meets the client's brief and deadlines. Building positive relationships with clients can lead to repeat business and higher rates. Additionally, be prepared to negotiate rates and manage your time effectively to ensure a sustainable income. Section 9. Dscout and user testing, the feedback loop. Companies rely on user feedback to improve products and services. Platforms like Dscout and user testing connect businesses with individuals for paid research studies. Dscout offers various studies, from short surveys to multi-day missions. User testing focuses on website and app testing, recording screens and voices. Earnings depend on study length and complexity. Create a detailed profile to maximize earnings. Check platforms regularly for new opportunities. Provide honest, detailed feedback for valuable insights. Section 10. Amazon Mechanical Turk, the digital marketplace. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a crowdsourcing marketplace connecting businesses with individuals for small tasks called Human Intelligence Tasks, or HITs. These tasks include image tagging, data verification, and transcription. Earnings vary based on task type, speed, accuracy, and request-to-pay rate. Focus on hits from reputable requesters with high approval rates. Use tools and scripts to automate tasks and increase efficiency. Join worker forums to share tips and find high-paying hits, ideal for those seeking supplemental income with flexible schedules. Take breaks to avoid burnout from repetitive tasks. Section 11. Conclusion, your journey to online earnings. In conclusion, the internet has democratized income-generating opportunities, offering a plethora of legitimate websites and platforms where individuals can leverage their skills, time, and resources to earn money online. From microtasks and surveys to freelance writing and online services, there's an opportunity for everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. The key to success in the online earning landscape lies in research, diligence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Thoroughly vet any platform or opportunity before investing time or money. Set realistic expectations and understand that building a sustainable income stream takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms and strategies to find what works best for you. Embrace the flexibility and convenience of working from anywhere with an internet connection. The possibilities are limitless, and the journey starts with a single step.